Dear students, in this video we are going to study about winds and permanent winds. Moving air is called wind. When the atmosphere is heated, the air from a region is heated up, becomes thinner and rises up. When the lighter air rises up, a region of low pressure is created in that region. The surrounding region where there is cool air with high pressure, this air with high pressure rushes to the region of low pressure, that is also called winds. The speed of the wind and the direction of the wind can be measured by using various instruments. Here in this picture, a weathercock or a wind vane is there. It is used to find the direction of the wind. It has a pointer and a tail. It freely rotates, and when it rotates, the direction from which the wind is blowing, to that direction the pointer turns. There are the directions, fixed directions given at the bottom of the weathercock, and to which direction or between the two directions the pointer comes at rest, that direction is the direction of the wind from which the wind is blowing. Then students, we can measure the speed of the wind by using an instrument called anemometer. The anemometer gives the pressure of the region, whether it is high pressure or low pressure, and also it gives the speed of the wind. When the cups attached to the anemometer rotates, the speed of rotation is connected to the machine, and the machine gives the reading that what speed is having the wind. Then students, we are going to study about the permanent winds. The winds blowing from high pressure regions to low pressure regions all over the earth. There are the pressure belts we studied in the last video. We studied equatorial low pressure belts, subtropical high pressure belt, subpolar low pressure belt, and the polar high pressure belt. To these regions, from the high pressure regions to low pressure regions, there are regular flow of winds. They are called permanent winds. The important permanent winds are trade winds or the easterlies, westerlies, and the polar winds. First of all, we are going to study about the easterlies or the trade winds. They blow from the east direction. In the northern hemisphere, they are blowing from the northeast direction towards the west. They are called northeast trade winds. From the southern hemisphere, they are blowing from the southeast direction towards the west. They are called southeast trade winds. So since they are blowing from the east direction, they are called easterlies. They are blowing from the subtropical high pressure regions, from the 30° north and south latitude towards the equatorial low pressure regions. Then students, the winds blowing from the subtropical high pressure regions to subpolar low pressure regions, they are called the westerlies. They are blowing in the western direction, from the western direction. That's why they are known as the westerlies. From the subtropical high pressure belts to subpolar low pressure belts in the both the hemispheres, from 30° north and south latitude to 60° north and south latitudes. The westerlies, they are warm winds. They are blowing from the subtropical warm regions to subpolar low pressure regions. So students, the westerlies, they are not regular as the trade winds. Trade winds are regular winds. Then the polar air, the air in the polar region, that is very cold and having very high pressure. From this region, from the polar region, the wind blows towards the subpolar low pressure regions. They are from the eastern direction. That's why they are called polar easterlies. So these two types of winds, polar easterlies, are blowing from the east direction towards the subpolar low pressure regions, and also in the northern hemisphere also they are blowing from the north polar regions to the subpolar low pressure regions. So these are called polar easterlies. They are blowing from the polar regions to 60° north and south latitudes. So students, these are the permanent wind patterns all over the earth. But these wind patterns, they are slightly changing. The westerlies, the movement and the direction is not regular. But the trade winds are always, the trade winds or the easterlies are always blowing in regular patterns. So students, I hope you understood this, the content of this video. Thank you.